This is the home screen of the application. You do have Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter down here, and as well TikTok. All you have to do is select which application you want to download something from, whether it be picture, video, whatever the case is. Once you have copied the link of that video with it from Instagram, TikTok, all I have to do is select whichever one you want to download from. Let's say for Instagram here. So once you have selected the option that you want to use, you're going to see an ad. Pretty much watch off ad and you're pretty much good to go. And once you have done that, you'll pretty much be able to paste the link here. You can either hold on to this option here and paste, or you can just tap on the paste option here, and we'll pretty much load the video as you can see here, and you're pretty much good to go. So very, very simple to use. Same thing applies for any other social media platforms that you select for this application here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And the all video section is pretty much where you go to see all the videos on your device. So very easy application to use, and if I miss anything at all, please comment below and let me know. See you in the next one.